Youth Advocacy in Action, your advocacy toolbox. Advocacy is all about using the right tools to turn your ideas into action. Here you will learn about 3 action tools: lobbying, raising awareness, and grassroots mobilization. Lobbying. Lobbying is a strategy using face-to-face interaction with people who have the power to make decisions. You can ask for a meeting or a call to present your ideas. Raising awareness. The goal is to spread your message and engage as many people as possible. This is how you get the public on board with your cause, through events, social media, workshops, or even creative projects. People might not be familiar with your cause, so delivering a clear message is essential. Grassroots mobilization. The more voices, the louder the message. When the power of the people is on your side, anything is possible. Get your community to take action, sign petitions, attend rallies, or flood decision makers with letters. Advocacy is more than the sum of its parts. Each tool plays a role in your overall strategy. Combine lobbying, raising awareness, and grassroots mobilization, and you will create a powerful force for change. Now it's time to explore and use some advocacy tools. 1. Imagine you are meeting a decision maker. Write a short paragraph outlining your main points. 2. Plan a mini campaign to spread the word about your cause. 3. Come up with one idea to bring people together for your cause.